today's video, we will be sharing with you this easy and delicious dinner recipe. Welcome to Tasty and Quick Recipes. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications if you enjoy this video. For this recipe, you will need 6 potatoes, 1.5 pounds of ground beef, 5 green onions chopped, 3 eggs, 1 cup of milk, 1 tablespoon of salt, half a teaspoon of pepper, 1 tablespoon of paprika, 3 garlic cloves shredded, and 1.5 cup of mozzarella cheese. To the meat, we're going to add in half of the salt, pepper, paprika, and the garlic, and mix until completely combined. We're going to set this aside for later. Now we're going to slice the potatoes into thin slices. We're going to spray a pan with cooking oil. Line the bottom of the baking pan with half of the potato slices. Now we're going to add our green onions. Season with half of the remaining salt. Now we're going to add our meat over this and spread out evenly. Add a layer of the sliced potatoes over the meat. Season with half of the remaining salt. In a bowl, we're going to add the eggs and the salt and beat until completely combined. Now we're going to add our milk and continue beating. We're going to pour this mixture over our meat and potatoes. We're going to bake this in the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 45 minutes. Once out of the oven, we're going to sprinkle the top with cheese. We're going to bake this in the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 minutes. Our delicious and quick dinner recipe is complete, and now you can plate and serve. We hope you enjoy.